Hi, this is Grant from Uptown 101, and we're standing in front of the main Dallas Concert and Sports Event Center. It's the American Airlines Center. This is on Houston Street. It's in the Victory Park area, and this is a Saturday, so you'll see just great vibes of people biking, walking, jogging, walking their dogs. And then, of course, you're going to see this great American Airlines Center. So what goes on here? Man, a lot of things. There's concerts, there's the Dallas Mavericks, our basketball team, there's the Dallas Stars, our hockey team, and then so many other things. That direction, there is there's actually an event going on right now. It's Formula 1 racing event, and so that's going on. And then if you walk in this direction about 4 minutes, you've already got restaurants that are around here. Like there's an Italian restaurant here called Mio Nono. So that's over there. And then you've got all sorts of other restaurants, nightclubs, and shops here on a street called Victory Park Lane. And that's just basically, this direction, all in easy, quick walking distance. So more of the American Airlines Center here, it's meant to hold a lot of people. It's a very fun, very popular place to go. And as you can see, a lot of people are really enjoying this day. This is a pretty day. And you notice too, Victory Park is just really pretty. It's very new. There's a lot of, it's just all new. It's new buildings. It's you're not gonna see any old stuff here. It's all new. So there's more of the American Airlines Center that's over there, and it just takes up a huge block. So if I wanted to keep walking, I could show that to you. But I do want you to see this and just kind of the vibe of the area. And so if you want to live here, there's also a lot of choices that are right nearby where you could live in anything from a mid-rise to a luxury high-rise, literally across the street from the American Airlines Center. So this street is Houston. Victory Park, it continues on a little bit more that direction. Uptown is in walking distance too. And then downtown, not really walking distance, but it's that direction, just really a few minutes driving distance. So this is really a fantastic area to enjoy. If you live in this area, you can quickly get to all three of them, two of them in walking distance and the third in quick driving. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tour, short tour of the American Airlines Center and just the vibe. And make sure to watch the other videos that we have of attractions that are in this area and also apartments. We have a free apartment service, 100% free, and we'll help you find a perfect apartment at Uptown 101. So start your search anytime, and we'll help you find the perfect apartment for your needs and for you to meet people and to have a great life here in Dallas. Talk to you guys soon.